Well, hello there. It's Beards and Bangers, and it's been a couple of weeks. I've sadly had COVID again, and I don't know what it is. I have a very mild illness when I have it, but then for the next several weeks afterwards, I feel very bunged up, lethargic, and just generally quite grotty. So it's been a couple of weeks since I uploaded a video. That will change. There will be more. You might have just seen someone running past me. That's my friend and YouTube colleague Simon from Smashing Pistons. He's here with me today. We've been doing some general car stuff. We've been up to see Adrian and Austin. We've
had quite a lot of fun.
Quite a lot of fun. Bite to eat.
More than a bite.
More than a bite. Great big pie.
Pie and chips, no
Pie and chips. But today we're going to talk about a car that I presented you a couple of months ago. It's my project, Rover 75.
Are you sure it's a 75?
It's definitely 75.
It says 5 on the side here.
That shouldn't be there, that badge. Welcome to Beards and Bangers. So I'm still feeling very lethargic. Simon's channel is Smashing Pistons, so you will shortly see a bit of a series from him. He's done a bit of a road trip. He's been to Kent, Cornwall, Devon, and on his way up home he's visited Buckinghamshire, and he's survived. He's having an orange juice because he needs the vitamins, but we're going to have a wander around this car, so we know roughly what needs doing, but I'm going to get Simon's take. Simon is a bit of a whiz kid with paint correction and repairs, and we're about to get run over, so I'm just going to step off the road. No, don't want to die yet. Yeah, just purpose of the video is A, to refresh your memory, B, to refresh my memory, and C, to get Simon's take on it. So
you want me to have a look?
Have a look. So we've got some obvious
so they obviously
bits down here
need polishing up, but it should be quite easy.
Yeah. So we could try the hour troll there, couldn't we?
Yeah.
So,
I mean, I'd probably still do a bit of sanding on them, maybe.
Yeah.
But it'd be interesting just to see, as an experiment, how the hour troll goes up. Maybe straight away.
Maybe do one with hour troll, one without.
Yeah.
Cause I've never actually used it on headlights. I've only used it on tail lights, so could be interesting. What do you think with this this bit of damage here on around the indicator? It's obviously been scraped down something.
Well, I mean, it's definitely gone through paint and into plastic, so you're going to need to fill it with that fine filler. You can get some that's not an epoxy, it's literally just filling fine scratches. And you should flatten off, all right, and then you've got a fairly large area that you can use just to spray around it.
Yes, and then just sort of flat it back and lacquer it, or flat it back, probably spray it again, then lacquer it, I guess.
Yeah, you want to put, I'd say, probably 2 or 3 couple of coats of primer, 2 or 3 coats of paint, flatten it back, see what it's like, maybe another coat or 2 of paint, flatten that back smoother with some really fine sandpaper, lacquer 2 or 3 coats, flatten it back, final lacquer. That might be over the top, but I'm not perfect with doing paint, so I have to do a lot of prep.
You're better than me. So I think we should take the bumper off this next time you're down.
Yeah, should only take about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll just put a tow rope round there.
Yeah, drive off. Yeah, perfect. But then if we get the bumper off, then we can actually really polish the lights properly. Yeah, so if you may remember my previous video on this, someone has literally taken self-adhesive chrome bits and stuck
is that
them
what it is?
all over the car. Because I'm coughing and wheezing and spluttering.
Okay, so that shouldn't be on there.
That should not be on there. It should be a grey, charcoaly colour grille on these facelift.
Oh, that's all right then. That'll just
75s. Yeah.
If it was supposed to be like that, we're going to suggest just painting it all up. But
yeah, no. There's a lot of this applique all over the thing, so it just comes off. So yeah, so that's that. So yeah, I think we'll get the bumper off. Then you can tackle that that bit. I know you're good at that. And I'll tackle the headlights.
Yeah.
Probably should respray the mesh as well, I think.
Yeah. So was it satin black or something?
Yeah, it's a bit rusty this one now, so it could do with a bit of a respray.
What are they? Are they chrome strips?
That is chrome strips. Shouldn't be this. That should just be plain.
Oh, okay.
So if we show you this one here, we've got this chrome applique down here. Someone really went to town with it, so that needs to come off. So I've got some thinners, but I'm loath to use those at the moment because I'm
They could do with polishing up as well.
Yeah, I think the indicators just really go around and tidy it up. There is some mechanical work that needs to be done as well, which Austin's going to tackle for me. someone's polished it and
Yeah, it's like they've got stuff from it.
splurged some polish.
That'll be alright.
That'll come off, yeah. But it's got the nice chrome mirror cap. Just got to do the drop links and track rod ends, and just adjust the handbrake. I've actually got a new handbrake. If we look inside,
It's alright.
Next video on this will be fairly soon. Driver's seat is filthy. The rest of the seats are actually all right, but this needs serious cleaning. And I'm going to put a new handbrake gaiter and handle on there just to make that look good. Already shows the handle, but yeah, you can see all the chrome that's stuck to the dash fence. I did show you that before.
As well.
Yeah, they've done it everywhere.
Well, that does feel nice in your hand.
It's a nice steering wheel.
Yeah, it's
and the car, even though the suspension just needs a bit of work, it does actually still drive really nice. It really does drive nice. But they've even look, there was even chrome strips down here.
People like chrome, don't they?
They do, but they're not as chromy as people think, these cars. Yeah, rear bumper's needs a bit of attention. It's not too bad. For 19 years old, this car. The parking sensors do work.
All the time.
Pretty much.
Do you get it where you put it in reverse and it just beeps all the time?
Yeah. Or not at all.
Yeah.
And then other times it does work. Someone's put peas on the floor. It's really weird.
Someone's peed.
Yeah, it's all solid on the sill. Just got this little bit of got the door to look at.
It's very sticky.
What's someone done to that? What has someone done to that? If you look at our joint channel, the crankcases, you will see it. I don't know when that's going to come out, but you'll see a very silly video of us doing paint correction on this door. So I won't say any more than that because I don't want to steal any thunder. Because that'll probably be a couple of weeks before you see that video.
Or at least.
Just noticed the oh yeah, those little rust spots. So the sills are actually quite solid. We've just got a bit of rust there. Can you see?
I can. I don't know if the viewers can.
Can you see? Of course you can see, viewers. So I think we just treat that, spray it. We'll probably need some no, the underseal actually looks all right.
Yeah, I don't think you'll need underseal.
Probably prise this back and just get some wax oil or
yeah, it's just a bit scabby.
built hammer in there, I think.
It's not like really bad, but
no, it's pretty solid. It's just a bit of surface rust.
we could just do the same while we're doing bumpers.
Yeah, just get that sorted out. Just notice, have you seen those tyres?
Yeah, I was just going to say.
Yeah.
Things quite close.
Yeah, so if I'm flipping a car, I like it to go out, pretty sorted, to be honest. Got a headline still on this one as well, which I'm really not looking forward to, but because it's a saloon.
Is it that bad? I didn't know.
It looks okay because it's held up by pins, but it's
They should sell MG Rover pins.
They should. Yeah, so the headline too. Someone sort of stuck 75 badges in various places. Yeah, but we'll get some decent tyres put on this as well.
Tread on this one.
Yeah, because it's a Connie SE. It's a it's a decent spec. Obviously, it's not quite the same as a pre-project drive Connie SE. They're not too bad on the back actually.
No.
Sidewalls all right. Can you?
Yeah, I'm just having a look what year they are. 2005.
05.
Yeah.
Wow. They're almost as old as the car then.
Can't see it on this one.
Bit of a mixed bag.
I mean, this one seems fine.
Yeah, so those fronts, obviously heavier engine on these.
Yeah.
So the fronts are suffering from a bit more weight. But yeah, the backs are actually all right. You can see the headlining in there. Let Simon look first.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're very nice pins.
They're very nice pins indeed. But yeah, if we just look, we've got these beautiful sequiny like pins that holding the headlining up. It's so I don't quite know how bad it actually is, but I will get it done. I'm actually going to get a job lot of this fabric because I've got 3 headlinings to do. So I've got this, I've got the Streetwise, I've got the BRM, and Austin needs some headlining as well. So gonna get enough for about 4 or 5 cars, just so we've got a stock of it. It's the correct colour for MG Rover product. We've got these lovely bits of cut up carpet as floor mats, so I need to source some new floor mats for it.
Somebody made there.
It looks like they have. But yeah, but I suspect this has been driven by a, you know, someone's a fleet car, because it's the driver's seat that's the driver's seat that's really mucky. The rest of the seats, I'll spin you around. The driver's seats are actually not too bad, but yeah, Simon's going to pop down, hopefully not too far away, because I need to get this car sold, because
yeah, I'm up for that.
yeah, so Simon's going to help me, so we'll have another video probably on both his channel and my channel. We'll do some of the bodywork. I'll be doing the interior fairly soon, so I'm going to get on with that in the next couple of days. This weather's fairly nice. I need to do some wet cleaning inside, so I want to be able to open the windows up.
You've just ruined it now, you know. There's a big black cloud there.
Oh yeah. But yeah, Austin has fixed the gear. So the gear linkage is fixed. That was one of the things that was wrong. That's now fixed. So there's about 3 other mechanical jobs needed, tyres, and then it's just really getting in there and a bit of elbow grease on the inside to make it a bit cleaner inside. It's not too bad. But
it's a very nice car. There's a nice car underneath all the little bits and pieces.
There is. It's spin you around again so you can appreciate the car. Go around here because we get in the sun. What were you going to say, son, about the car?
About the... There's just a nice car. You can tell there's bits and pieces that it just needs a bit of looking after, really.
Yeah, and I think the thing I feel with this car is no one's kind of bought it and deliberately kind of mistreated it. They've obviously tried to make it nicer in their own way, with sort of the applique and decollage. Decollage. But it's a nice colour. Just as I was saying earlier, white gold is pretty attractive. So there is a deeper gold colour available in these cars.
Well, this is a nicer one.
Yeah, I think it's slightly classy, the white gold. And I've actually had, even though this car needs a lot of work, or some work doing to it, I've had a lot of compliments since it's been parked at Beards and Bangers Towers. So,
well, you've got a new knob.
that's the old knob actually,
that's the old
which
one.
I don't like. So we put a standard 75. It's got a crack in it as well.
That printing's weird.
Isn't it? I don't think it's standard.
No.
So we have already replaced the gear knob, so a couple of bits just to make it nice. I'll do the handbrake when I do my next video, which will be the interior. No, it's not. It is. It's a bit stuck though. Need some WD on the WD-40 inside the cup holder.
Mine, that comes out.
Yeah.
That's it. It just comes out.
Right. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do suffer. Yeah, door cards really need doing. I've got bezels come off, which they all do. I think Henrietta's bezels come off.
Yeah, super glued it back on.
Husley's bezel came off a few weeks ago. With a bloom of some polish there, I think. Someone's.
There's weird texture on that.
Yeah. Yeah, just need to go around with some thinners and just give it a really good clean.
Yeah.
These sort of bits, and then get the bodywork done, get it back into Austin. Job done. So thank you for watching. This is a video I'm not going to have to edit that much. That's Simon from Smashing Pistons. Check out his channel, it's excellent.
Thank you.
Simon's currently got a Rover 216 project he's working on. Got his Rover 57 or 75, which he's working on. And Margaret and loads of some bike stuff and really good days out. So do check out the Smashing Pistons channel. This is Beards and Bangers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, I'll see you again very soon, and it will be soon. It won't be 2 weeks. Goodbye.